Aditya Chopra's Broadway-bound musical Come Fall in Love is special in many ways. For the first time, an Indian director is set to debut on Broadway. It is also the first Bollywood musical set to be on Broadway. It has Vishal and Shekhar debuting too as composers, and Shruti Merchant will do her first Broadway musical as an associate choreographer. The amazing part is that the lead of the Come Fall in Love musical, Shobha Narayan, aka Simran, plays her ethnicity for the first time on stage. Also, there are 16 other South Asian actors who are set to debut on Broadway, a first for any musical on the Broadway stage. So to put this into perspective, out of the 30 cast members in the musical, 17 are South Asians or Indian Americans. The musical also has 18 original English songs to treat audiences with, and the makers reveal that they also have a beautiful song, Love in Every Color, that celebrates the theme of inclusivity in the show. Meanwhile, the Old Globe, one of the most respected theatres in the USA, has announced an extension of the world premiere of Aditya Chopra's Come Fall in Love, the DDLJ musical, due to popular demand.